going to hire an attorney. Okay, the first thing you have to understand with licensing, you have to know what you want. Do not go into a negotiation without figuring out, without a strategy and a plan, because then what happens is you get in the middle of these negotiations, you're talking to the company, they say this royalty rate, they say this territory, whatever the case is, and you go to sign the agreement, you're going to feel like you're not going to feel good about it. So know what you want. The second thing to understand about licensing is this is not a static agreement. This is performance based. You are going to license them your IP, and they agree to do certain things by a certain date in a certain time period in a certain way. You agree to do certain things at a certain date. It's performance based. Inside your agreement, it's think of it as dynamic, where it's saying we're seeking to accomplish something. We're each going to do things, and if we don't do what we're supposed to do, then we're either going to fix them or we're going to do something else. So it's really a win-win situation. But here again, the most important thing to understand when you do licensing, do not go into a bad deal. I don't care if the biggest company in the world approached you and says, I love your little nonprofit character and I want to license it, I'm going to make $1 billion. If you're in that room and you feel like these guys are vultures and are going to take advantage of it, walk away. Because I can tell you that a bad deal is worse than no deal at all. You will just be miserable. And I have seen this with IP owners. You will be miserable during the whole term of that deal. And even worse, if you have to get into legal action over that thing.